Today we are going to be doing a little Hondo Garage Entune premium knobs for the radio. Little tiny little knobs in here. This is exactly how they come in. You get your bag with the two knobs and you get a Hondo Garage sticker. Awesome sticker. I went with the knobs have a little bit of a AR-15 BCG, the front of the bolt right on there stamped, you know, because I like it. It's better than the plain ones, and hopefully these work better than the ones that are there, because the ones that Toyota chose to use suck. So sucky AF. They're terrible. Even my little tiny non-man hands are horrible at grabbing them. So these will work better. We're gonna get these installed and we'll walk you through that install. Should be pretty simple. Let's go take a walk and get these installed. First, you want to locate your horrible radio knobs. There's one and there's two. You can tell where they are because of how horrible they are. They're right here and right here, just to be safe. So you're just gonna firmly try your best to grab it and just pop it right off, just like that. And if you notice, you'll see like a flat side and a round side. So you want to just match that up with your new knobs. You just gonna look for the flat side. And in there you'll notice a flat and a round side. So we're going to take that flat side and pop the flat side where it goes in place, just like that. And you're going to grab the other horrible knob, which is right over here. Just pop that straight off and make sure you throw it away really hard. Give it a good check. There, you see how this part has a piece and this one kind of doesn't, so you want that piece to go on the flat side. So you kind of just take it, put it on the flat side, and just push it right in, and just like that, our brand new knobs are in and they feel amazing. So smooth, so much better than what was here. Love it. So here's the main reason why I really wanted nicer knobs. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. So I'm driving. I normally drive like this. I don't really ever drive like this, or I don't do any of these. I just kind of drive like this. I have my elbow on the armrest and one hand on the wheel. So if I want to change a station, bring something up, or change my music, I either have to kind of move my hand over here and then come over here to the steering wheel controls, or I can just nicely lift my right hand up and grab my brand new knobs, which is what I used to do before when I wanted to bring stuff up. I had a hard time. You really got to look and kind of look down and make sure you're on it. So with these knobs, you don't have to look anymore. They're gonna stick out. They're hard enough. You can feel them, and your money. So that's why I went to the change. Much easier to grab these knobs than it was the other ones. I don't like switching hands to hit these controls, which, by the way, who thought of these controls? Why would you put, the change the whatever station or change whatever song you're listening to go up and down and not left to right, and make the volumes not up and down? Horrible. Again, maybe the same person who went with those other knobs. Terrible. And Toyota, shame on you for not giving backwards compatibility to Apple CarPlay. That was terrible. This whole unit is horrible. If for any reason, any of you 10 subscribers, so 7 family members, any of you my 3 subscribers who are not family members, might be an engineer for Toyota, send me an email. We'll work something out with the Apple CarPlay. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.